sea stacks and wavecraft Chau, exploring a little isolated island located in the northeast tip of Hong Kong. This is Jern and Fern. Welcome to a brand new series of Jern and Fern. So in this series, I'm gonna visit 5 different isolated islands of Hong Kong. So in the first of this series, we come to Tung Ping Chau, and today I got Calvin with us on this adventure. Calvin?
Hi everyone, I'm Calvin. Thanks for having me. This is my first time I came to Tung Ping Chau and I'm pretty excited with that already.
Cool. Let's go.
Let's go!
Hong Kong is well known for its soaring skyscrapers and congested metropolis maze. But with more than 250 outlying islands that are just one ferry ride away from the concrete jungle, there's a lot to explore on some of these deserted islands. In this series of Jern and Fern, I'm going to visit 5 different offshore islands of Hong Kong. To start off this new series, me and Calvin, an old friend of mine, we take a 90-minute cruise from Ma Liu Shui Ferry Pier, which only operates on weekends, and make our way to this little island located in the most easterly point of Hong Kong, Tung Ping Chau. Starting from the ferry pier is a relaxing walk along the Ping Chau Country Trail. We weave through the historical fishing villages that were once home to more than 3,000 people, but the villages slipped into decay since the 1960s. We find a villager on the trail who has already moved out and only comes back on weekends to run his store.
如果想入嚟買樓呢？
冇得賣喎，佢呢度
冇得賣，有都唔賣。
嗱，冇錢佢又想賣佢又唔賣，又重建唔到，又唔想起。
因為組屋，所以就唔賣。
組屋等啦，人哋有錢又唔想賣。好難。
Passing through the Tin Hau Temple, we arrive at the picturesque beach of Wan, where you can see numerous wavecraft Chau along the shore.
As you can see, the rock formations here is really spectacular. It's like waves of rocks, and Calvin just can't stop himself from taking pictures. It's amazing, right?
Each layer of the rock represents the sediments of a certain period, and the sediments accumulated over 1,000 years may only form a layer that's 1 centimeter thick.
So we saw a sign describe these kind of rock formation as layer cakes, but I think it looks more like a 五花肉 to me.
After a short walk, we reach the eastern tip of Tung Ping Chau, where you can see a pair of sea stacks, Gan Lao Set, Watchman's Tower rocks in Cantonese, standing on the wave-cut platform guarding this little island. Layers of shells and consecutive rock pools, the natural landscape of Tung Ping Chau is breathtakingly beautiful. We then return to the trail in the woods. Just a short walk, the trail leads us to Zam Gan Zhao, which means chop net islets in Cantonese. It gets the name from its shape and looks much more stunning when looking from above.
So Tung Ping Chau is quite a small island, and we just did a big loop around the island. How much time we spent?
I think 2 to 3 hours.
Yeah, 2 to 3 hours. Yeah. So the pier is already right over there, and besides the hiking trail and also the rock formations, Tung Ping Chau is also a paradise for snorkeling and also diving. So now I'm gonna go snorkeling. How about you, Kevin? You gonna follow?
No, not for me. Please go, George.
He can't swim.
With one of Hong Kong's best preserved coral reefs, Tung Ping Chau is indeed a paradise for snorkelers and divers on a calm day. Unfortunately, I didn't get to see much on that day, but we did do an episode of scuba diving in Tung Ping Chau. You should check it out. Links below.
How are you feeling? Good. Not much to see, but overall speaking, it's quite relaxing. But the water is very, very cold. So let's go grab some.
You seem so cold now.
Yeah, I am. Let's go grab some afternoon tea now.
A short walk from the beach is the Tai Lon village, where you can find refreshments.
Okay, so that's the end of this episode. We got a ferry to catch, so we gotta leave now. But overall speaking, It's quite a relaxing hike, nothing too difficult, but the views amazing. What do you think, Kevin?
Yeah, I think Tung Ping Chau is very good for beginner for hiking.
Yep.
And which is a very chill trip today, and beautiful sights and beautiful people.
Yes, I am.
And I was just so full now because we just finished our activity and I can't speak anymore.
Okay, so don't forget to like our Facebook page and subscribe to our YouTube channel. For now, my name is George.
My name is Kevin.
And this is John and Fur.
Toilet, please.
So, normally in Hong Kong's like country park or like hiking trail, there will be no toilet. So please remember to use the toilet before you step into the hiking trail. Otherwise, you will be like Calvin, running for his life.